In this video, find out how many people die each year from taking supplements, the impact on death rates from popular types of supplements, the real-world impact from taking supplements, and links to 5 scientific articles for more information. How safe are vitamins? The most elementary of forensic arguments is, where are the bodies? The 2003 annual report of the American Association of Poison Control Centers Toxic Exposure Surveillance System states that there have been only 2 deaths allegedly caused by vitamins. Almost half of all Americans take nutritional supplements every day, some 145 million individual doses daily, for a total of over 53 billion doses annually. And from that, 2 alleged deaths? That is a product safety record without equal. Conversely, pharmaceutical drugs, properly prescribed and taken as directed, kill 106,000 Americans each year. That is over 2,000 each week, dead from their prescriptions. Some physicians estimate the true number of drug-induced deaths to be far higher. Fatalities are by no means limited to drug products. In the USA in the year 2003, there was a death from cream lotion makeup, a death from granular laundry detergent, 1 death from plain soap, 1 death from baking soda, and 1 death from table salt. Other deaths reported by the American Association of Poison Control Centers included aspirin 59 deaths, aerosol air fresheners 2 deaths, perfume cologne aftershave 2 deaths, charcoal 3 deaths, dishwashing detergent 3 deaths. On the other hand, nutritional supplements have proven to be exceptionally safe. Specifically, there were no deaths from B-complex vitamin supplements, there were no deaths from niacin, there were no deaths from vitamin A, there were no deaths from vitamin D, there were no deaths from vitamin E, there was, supposedly, 1 alleged death from vitamin C and 1 alleged death from vitamin B6. The accuracy of such attribution is highly questionable, as water-soluble vitamins such as B6 pyridoxine and vitamin C ascorbate have excellent safety records extending back for many decades. The 2003 Toxic Exposure Surveillance System report states that reported deaths are probably or undoubtedly related to the exposure, an admission of uncertainty in the reporting. Even if true, such events are aberrations. For example, previous American Association of Poison Control Centers Toxic Exposure Surveillance System reports show 0 fatalities from either vitamin C or B6. The Journal of the American Medical Association has published the recommendation that every person take a multivitamin daily, saying that suboptimal intake of some vitamins, above levels causing classic vitamin deficiency, is a risk factor for chronic diseases and common in the general population, especially the elderly. It is a sensible idea whose time should have come generations ago. It is curious that, while theorizing many potential dangers of vitamins, critics fail to point out how economical supplements are. For low-income households, taking a vitamin C tablet and a multivitamin, readily obtainable from any discount store, is vastly cheaper than getting those vitamins by eating right. The uncomfortable truth is that it is often less expensive to supplement than to buy nutritious food, especially out-of-season fresh produce. According to David Darris, MD, 300,000 Americans die annually from poor nutrition choices. Supplements make any dietary lifestyle, whether good or bad, significantly better. Supplements are an easy, practical entry-level better nutrition solution for the public, who are more likely to take convenient vitamin tablets than to willingly eat organ meats, wheat germ, and ample vegetables. Scare stories notwithstanding, taking supplements is not the problem, it is a solution. Malnutrition is the problem. Public supplementation should be encouraged, not discouraged. Supplements are a cost-effective means of preventing and ameliorating illness. Vitamin safety has been, and remains, extraordinarily high.
Subscribe and like below and check out our next video.